Want to stay healthy this winter? What if you could boost your immune system with delicious superfoods? Introducing Bloom Bite, a guide to the top superfoods for winter health that help you stay healthy. Explore nutrient-rich foods perfect for winter wellness. How it works. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Add berries, broccoli, and dark leafy greens. Enjoy winter squash, eggs, and oily fish. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals. They provide antioxidants and fiber to combat winter ailments. These foods reduce the risk of coughs and colds, maintain a healthy immune function, and overall well-being. Enjoy better health this winter. With Bloom Bite, you'll discover ways to stay healthy all winter long. Reduce sick days with nutrient-rich meals. Eat delicious foods that improve your health. Boost your immune system with superfoods. Support overall vitality and energy. Stay healthy naturally this season. Explore the benefits of superfoods. Enjoy flavors that warm you up. Are you ready to get started? Bloom Bite. Subscribe for more information. Join us now.